Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the portable laptop table friend, so which I ordered from the Flipkart, as you can see here. So right now the price is about 2,999, but I did get for about 1500 rupees, as you can see. 1500 plus 180 super coins, which I did use. So for 1500 rupees, as you can see friends, let's see whether what we'll be getting in the box and is it worth of buying this portable laptop table or not. So this is my first time ordering this kind of portable laptop, so which I particularly need for my laptop, as you can see friends. So this is a kind of stand and everything it looks, and it is a complete package which got along with the box. So let me quickly unbox this complete package friends, as you can see. So this is a kind of complete package. It's not that heavy, I would say, maybe close to 8 to 10 kg of weight of this product. So let's see friends what will be inside the box after cutting everything, and I'll be back once the box has been everything has been cut. As you can see friends, this is the box inside which is present of this outer Flipkart name. So let me quickly take out this one. So right now, as you can see friends, this is the color which I ordered right now. So these are the complete screws and all the boards which they gave me, as you can see. So this is a complete set of the package, and there is even a screwdriver, small screwdriver, which they did provide. So let me to keep all the box aside, and it is a complete package friends, as you can see. So everything is packed perfectly well, and even there is a manual how to install this kind of complete table as well, as you can see. Set of instructions what to do and how to start as well. So this is a small piece, and it is the two sets. And it is a small screwdriver, as you can see friends. So this is a small screwdriver which they gave. Let me try to keep all these things aside. So this is a quality friends. This is how it looks on the other side, as you can see here. So this is the bottom side, and I can see some kind of markings and scratches on the top, as you can see here, something. And here's the everything. And let me try to set up complete table. As you can see friends, the first step is to connect this back part, which is a small wood part, as you can see. So once you connect this one part, so which will be very easy for you all, so because the complete both stands, both sides will be completely stable. And now you can fix the second one. Second one is trying to keep this kind of big holders, as you can see. These are laptop holders which is present on the both sides. So then you can try to place them and adjust the screws on the back side. This is a step 2. So step 1 is to keep those two legs together by using the small wood one, and step 2 is to keep the small top ones for the laptop holder. And the step 3, so step 3 is to use this kind of small, as you can see, small support one which is there here. So try to connect those, which is a step 3. So right now I'll be connecting them. As you can see friends, right now the step 3 is also finished. There is a small support holder which is also connected right now. So now I'll be able to connect the big one, which is for the laptop holder. As you can see friends, right now it's completely done. So this is a complete table look, laptop table look, as you can see here friends. And one thing is that there are 3 different types of screws which you get in the box, as you can see. And this big screw you need to use for this laptop holder one. So this is the one where you need to connect this one, and this small screw, so this kind of design and this kind of size, this one you need to use for this small support holder, as you can see. So this one goes to here, and this is the one which is a big screw, as you can see, big, all of them big, as you can see. This one you need to use for the sideways, for this one to get fixed. So these are the 3 different types of screws you will be getting in this kind of laptop holder. So it should not be much confusion for you all. So overall it might take only 10 minutes of time if you know exactly what procedure it is. So make sure to follow exactly this kind of procedure friends, and don't get confused with the number of screws and which screw goes where. So this is an easy method, and this is a first step, and the second step and third step. So first, second and third steps, as you can see. This is how the table looks. As you can see friends, this is my complete laptop setup for the final thing. So once it's done, so this is how it looks, as you can see here. So this is my complete setup for this kind of laptop setup. And for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel friends, Sai Tech Guru, and I'll be keeping you posted regarding this old laptop older, how it will be behaving for the next couple of days. And do let me in the comments below if you are interested to know those kind of details. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.